Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to schedule your email on Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to schedule your email on Microsoft Outlook, what you have to do is, first of all, just log in into your Outlook account, and here you will see like this interface in your Outlook. Now what you have to do is just click on the new message, and here you have to type the email on you to whom you want to send your emails. And now here you have to set write subject like this: hi, this is Shubham. And now here you have to write all of your email, and after that you have to just here and click on this arrow, and here you will see send later. Now you have to select the time and customize the time like this. Date, you can select the date 25, and time from here like this, and click on the send. So now you have scheduled an email on Outlook. So like this you can schedule any email on Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel.